We will simplify, step by step, the expression square root 50 times square root 16 all over square root 8. Each line appears exactly when we say it. Step 1. Product rule. For square roots, the square root of a times the square root of b equals the square root of ab. Apply it to the numerator, so the numerator becomes the square root of 50 times 16, which is the square root of 800. Keep the denominator as square root 8. Step 2. Quotient rule. For square roots, the square root of a divided by the square root of b equals the square root of a over b. We will use that on our fraction, so it becomes the square root of 800 over 8. Now divide inside the radical. 800 divided by 8 equals 100. Step 3. Evaluate the square root. The square root of 100 equals 10, because 10 squared is 100. That is our final simplified value. Quick visual cue. 1. Combine the numerator roots to get square root 800. 2. Use the quotient rule to get the square root of 800 over 8 equals the square root of 100. 3. Evaluate to get 10. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, then follow and subscribe for more quick problem solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.